Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I just have a little haul. I have a mystery box from Nails and Resin by E. I have some stamping plates from Pretty Fingers by Robin. And then I do have a Madam Glam. It wasn't here yet at this time. But I do have a collection from Madam Glam. Yeah, the box did have a little hole on one side, but everything seemed to be okay. So we're going to go ahead and open this. So Erica had some spring/Easter mystery boxes. So I went ahead and ordered one. We get this cute little thank you in there. Just saying thank you for supporting her small business. So I just went ahead and took everything out because the box was kind of big on my desk. It came in that super cute little bag there. I'm not sure what this is for, Erica, if you could let me know. I wasn't sure exactly. And then that little clear thing, the little bunny you'll see in a minute. This is her little e-signature collection little logo there. And then some airheads. You know I love my sweet, so yes, I was very excited to eat two of the airheads. Still have one left. I'm trying not to eat too much candy, but gosh, I have such a sweet tooth. It's like ridiculous. So yes, got some little goodies in there, which was so cool. Let's see what else is in here. Look at this cute little egg. Oh my goodness. It's absolutely adorable. It says made by E-Signature Collection. Super cute egg. Of course, it's the lavender, which I love. It's got some little rhinestones, some glitter. Maybe I could put some brushes in there. It's super, super cute. I love it. And then these are absolutely adorable. Look at these little, I just love Easter decor, bunny, spring. I don't know. I just absolutely love it. And then we're going to see another one here. We got a yellow one. Super cute. I love the yellow. I love yellow. I actually really do like yellow. I want to do yellow on my toes. I seen this really cute. Oh yeah, these little bubbles are super cute. This cute set of nails actually on Pinterest. It was yellow and it had little white flowers and it had ladybugs. But I actually want to do it on my toes. So I want to do like a pastel yellow and then do like stamp a couple flowers and then put a little ladybug. So yeah, I want to do that. Oh yeah, that berry one is so good. Oh my gosh. I love airheads. Yeah, it was so good. And then we got some stickers, really cute little floral stickers. And we got these cute little bunnies. I saw these on one of her videos when she was pouring all her little resin goodies. And look how cute with the little carrot. I just thought that was super cute. And then look at these flowers, how absolutely gorgeous. And they're lavender, of course. Look how pretty. Oh, I just love them. So, so pretty. Now this is, oh, I just fell in love with this. Absolutely adorable. The bunny with the little strawberries. Now, I have a stamping plate from Pretty Fingers by Robin that I opened in one of my, I think my last haul. And I want to create a nail to copy this because it has bunnies like with strawberries on the stamping plate. So I want to do a nail, either a set or just at least a nail inspired by that little resin piece. Because I was like, oh my gosh, how perfect. And so that's just the little blower part for the bubbles. And then we've got, oh yeah, that's a sharpener. That's where that little clear piece, oh yeah, that twine that was there too. Is so that I could like hang up the little resin pieces. I thought that was so cute. Yes, a sharpener for our wax pencils or for my lip liners. I'm always losing my little sharpener for my lip liners. So yes, so cute. So please make sure you check out Nails and Resin by E. She makes absolutely gorgeous resin pieces. She made my nail rack that I have go back. Oh gosh, this was a few months ago that she made an actual nail rack that I have my stamping polishes on. Yeah, I was trying to figure out what that little piece, I wasn't sure if it was to hold one of the resin pieces. If you could please let me know. I don't know, my brain sometimes does not work well. work well. And so I was like, oh no, what is this for? I didn't know if it accidentally got put in there, but please let me know. But I love all my sweets, all my goodies. Like I said, please check her out. I'm going to link her channel down below, and then you can DM her on Instagram. So we're going to get into the Pretty Fingers by Robin little order here. Oh my gosh, I had just been loving her plates. This one, I think, you guys, I threw away on accident the little paper that says what the names were. This says Critters and Stars. I love the stars. I actually use that in a set, well, some press-ons that I'm working on right now for my niece. And look at the little critters, so cute. I'm trying to remember if I can think of, I think this was called Easter Doodles. And they're just like little Easter designs, but kind of look like little doodles. But I mean, there's like little flowers, butterflies. So I mean, you can use the other things not just for Easter. So that's what I like is, you know, when you can pick out, there's even a heart in there. You could use that for any kind of design. And look at the rain cloud. Absolutely. I want to do like an April showers. I've been seeing a lot of ladies doing this collab and it's like April showers. And I actually want to do that. It actually rained today. Today's Sunday the 12th. And it actually rained today. So I was like, ooh, April showers. So this plate is so freaking cute. It's got little, they're like little winter cottages. They've got like, they look like kind of gingerbread. I like her plates because they have small and big images. They have Christmas trees, little Christmas signs, the little lights, the street lights. Oh, I just thought it was super cute. And then the last one here is absolutely adorable. I'm actually going to take the film off so we can look at it a little better. I think it's called like Retro Love. It's like that old kind of 50s or even like 40s. I don't know. Just the little kids and the little sayings. Oh my gosh. Just so cute. I can't really read. I mean, I'm trying to see what it says. It has a lot of cute little sayings on it. It's just hard for me to focus in and see. I do wear glasses, but I don't know. It's just hard to see. But they're so freaking cute. You guys check out her plates. She's just got amazing plates. And yeah, I've just been trying to pick up, you know, a few here and there. And every week, it seems like on Friday, she comes out with new plates. So yes, I will link her website down below. And now we have Madam Glam. I did order the April collection. Oh my gosh, you guys, I've been ordering every collection every month just because I mean, they're my favorite polish brand. I absolutely love Madam Glam. Basically, a lot of the sets I use, I always use Madam Glam. I just love their formula. I love their polishes. So this is Dream Drop, a beautiful blue bunny bloom. I love the names. A beautiful lavender. So pretty. Daffy Day, of course, it's a yellow, a very pretty yellow. This would be cute for a sunflower set. Candy Hop, beautiful pink, just Easter right here. Spring Hug. These are pearls. Now they have like the fluorescent. Jelly Bean, I thought that was a cute name. This is an orange, but it does have like a pink shift to it. Mint Chick, of course. This green, I fell in love with this pearl green. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. And then April Mist is this beautiful tealish blue. Oh, it's so pretty. So I do swatch them on my little swatch rings. I'm not going to show that. I'm just going to come back and show you them all swatched. Yeah, don't mind my nails. I had my builder gel, my fiberglass gel actually from Madam Glam that I put on my nails. It was all grown out. So I need to redo that. But this is the two colors here. Daffy Day and I think Candy Hop. And then look at they're not pastel. I think they're just absolutely beautiful, perfect April colors. The pearlescents are gorgeous. And then I'm going to show, look at the green. I fell in love. That orange you can see there, that little pink shift. It's so pretty. But that green, I fell in love with that green. Oh my gosh. So yes, make sure to check out Madam Glam. Their collections are just amazing. I love their polishes. I did slow this down because I forgot to do an outro. But I hope you enjoyed my little haul here. I'm going to link all the small businesses linked down below. So please check out everyone and give them some support. Everyone take care. Bye.